Hello.
I was lost down and feeling so alone. You told my head it's I was so strange. You showed me and now I finally found and in you. I still recall the times that I drew of faces that I wanted to
I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again.
I was lost and dark. We found broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own.
You were always there to lend a helping hand. When good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again.
I was lost and dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own.
Now look at me, yes, a different me. Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. Thank you, friend.